Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Stacks or the STX token. Wanted to do a quick video because we've been very bullish. I mean, I already saw Stacks yesterday. Stacks has been the second bullish, like the second most bullish crypto right now. Yeah, only Singularity Net, which is absolutely going to the moon, is up more. But Stacks has been doing amazing, and we just got a bullish breakout as well in the last 20 minutes. So we're going to go over all of that, go over all of the technicals, check out some fundamentals as well. I think you need to know that. And yeah, so I'll just try to tell you everything you need to know. So let's get right into it. I do want to say that if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links in the description or the pinned comment, whatever you want. They're both there. But yeah, Stacks has been very bullish, and it has been doing amazing things lately. And Stacks itself, I mean, if you take a look at the total value locked at, it's at its highest moment in, well, perhaps forever. Obviously, that also has to do with the price going up this much, but still, it's doing good. Daily active addresses are great. Daily transactions have been stabilized and seem to go up as well. So, Stacks is doing good. Stacks is definitely fundamentally doing good. The market is doing great as well, so that helps, I guess. So yeah, and then we haven't even talked about the bullish breakout technically that we have had. And for that we perhaps have to zoom out. I mean, you can see that it's a weird color. This golden orange-like color for me is a color indication that it's the strongest fib there is. This fib, if you check it out, goes all the way back from this Fibonacci retracement from the 3rd of April to November last year, which is it's a pretty strong one. I mean, you can also see that it's not been respected that much, to be honest. But for example, you can see that the first time we touched the 618 fib, it was huge, and we did find some support, some resistance at it this time as well, as you can see. Not that much, but what we have done now is we have broken above it. Which gives us this entire level between $1 and $1.05 as support, which is very bullish if you ask me. So the big question now is can we hold this? That's really the big question. You can see that we're dropping down a little bit. What we have to do is we have to stay on top of this. We can drop down to $1 as long as we don't close below $1.05. All right, so we can spike down below it. We just should not close below $1.05. And if we can do that, so stay on top of it for the next, so even if we spike down below that, close above that, if we can do that for the next 3 candles or for the next 2-3 candles, I think we're going to rally again. And the next resistance level really is around 1.2 and 1.25. If you historically take a look at it, you can see that there's resistance kind of from 1.1 all the way up to 1.2. But I think this, first of all, 1.2 and 1.25 is really the strongest resistance level in that entire level. And apart from that, I think by breaking above this level between $1 and $1.05, I think the bullish breakout is significant enough to actually give us enough bullish momentum to get up to the higher areas of the entire resistance level. So this seems like the most likely scenario right now at this point of time, I have to be honest. But I do want you to know that if for some reason we still close below $1.05 with the next candle, then it's the same story. We just have to break above 1.05 again and stay on top of it. And if we can do that, great. But if we break down below, just to give you a scenario, if we break down below $1.05 now and we find resistance and we drop down below $1, then it's over, at least temporarily. Then we'll drop down to 90, 87 cents. And then getting back up from there is obviously significantly more difficult. So yeah, that's we'll see. I told you my most likely scenario. This is my full analysis on Stacks. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.